Jim, how about at Fortinet? Tell us about a specific project that you've been able to work on that's been able to further the mission of one of these agencies across the departments and agencies.
Luke, I've talked about how powerful AI and ML are for cybersecurity, but I recognize that there are a large number of federal networks where neither the data nor even the telemetry about the data can be allowed to go off-premise or out of the network. So how do you do cybersecurity and leverage AI and ML for those cases without telling the customer, to use Sanjay's example, either build it yourself or you're out of luck? And Fortinet has been using AI and ML in production for security for 10 years. Not only has it gotten more powerful, but the corollary to that is the algorithms have gotten more efficient. And this year, we actually reached the point where we were able to deploy freestanding software-based versions of this, so that if you can't bring the data to the AI, you can send the AI to the data center or potentially even to the endpoints in the federal network. And these are not lightweight software appliances. These are full deep neural networks, 4-layer deep neural networks, so they can deal with fairly complex operating environments. And the studies have shown that within about 12 or 13 weeks, one of those deployments can be producing as much alerting as 3 or 4 full-time SOC analysts are. So that's a way of saying you can take this kind of capability and you can give it to federal customers to use in their own environment where they've got to be able to take care of themselves. They can't rely on external customers who need to export the data to handle it. So that's a very powerful capability that's just come online for us this year. We're excited to be working with federal partners on that.
Are you able to implement something like that very quickly in regards to the departments and the agencies? Are they embracing that sort of wholeheartedly, if you will?
It just started coming online as a capability at the same time COVID hit. So we haven't been able to have a close dialogue with a lot of our typical federal channels to be able to say, here's a capability, do you want to start deploying it inside your network? But this is a full standalone commercial product. We call it, a virtual security analyst, but again, it's really a very powerful AI tool. So this is something that is now with us that I think will find federal partners more interested in using, because it gives them full control over the data with the power of these fully mature data analytics.